Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to talk about the words as and since. The words as and since can both be used to introduce something, but if you want to sound a little more native, there are a few tips that you should keep in mind. Let's start by talking about since. In my opinion, since is the easier one to use because you just put it in front of the reason and you're done. Here are some examples. Since you're watching this video, you should leave some examples in the comments. Since you already know Spanish, it should be easy to learn Portuguese. She got worried since he didn't respond to her calls. We can use as in the same context, but if we do, our sentence is going to sound a lot fancier and more academic. So I could say, as you're watching this video, you should leave your own examples in the comments. I would say that this use of as is probably better for the IELTS or the TOEFL or some kind of exam where you're trying to prove that you know more than the average student. For more colloquial speech, we use as to talk about things that are communicated or recognized. We tend to use reported verbs with as in this context. I have a list of reporting verbs in the description of this video. Here are a few examples. As you already know, I'm not the biggest fan of my neighbors. As I remember, you don't have any children, right? As the document explains on page 5, payment is due at the first of every month. As you can see by the look on my face, I'm a little annoyed. As a great poet once said, "Hit me baby one more time." As I mentioned several times during this video, leave your own examples in the comments.